I think Santa came, Spence.
Spencer, did you hear the reindeer?
Did you hear Santa on the roof?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did too last night.
Let's wake up.
Time to wake up?
Time to get up?
You want to go see if Santa brought you anything?
You want to see if Santa thought you were a good boy? Gotta get out there.
Go see if he ate the cookies. Look, Spence, here. Look, I saw something here, look.
Oh.
Did Santa eat the cookies?
Let me eat his cookies.
Yeah.
Santa ate the cookies. Oh, gone.
I bet he liked them.
Yum, yum.
It's like them.
Yeah.
You should make glass of milk.
Oh, he had a glass of milk too? Well, why don't you go look under the tree? That's where Santa would leave presents. What is that?
Mine.
Is that for you?
Yeah, control. That one's for me.
Oh my goodness.
The man.
Little man?
What is that?
Presents.
More presents?
What's presents? Oh, look.
What? What happened?
Train. The man in there. The man in there.
How does it work, Spence?
How does it work?
This is a control.
Okay, what, is there little buttons on the control?
There's a man in there.
Santa ate all his food.
Yes. Hungry Santa.
Do you, Spency, do you press the button? Press the buttons on the control. Oh, let's see. Ready?
Did Daisy and Annabelle?
Press the button. Wow! Whoa! Are you flying the airplane?
Whoa! Whoa! Look into the barn.
Oh! You stop the plane? Press the green button. Oh, there it goes! Yay!